Kasi ito ma'am, isura kasi siya. Iwawas na. Hindi ka tulad kasi yung riban kasi. Mami, bawas na sa ginagawa.
Yung treatment din for virgin hair lang Oo. Pero pag previously treated na kailangan pa ng treatment nun. Okay. Paano siya ginagamit? Analyze the hair, analyze the scalp, analyze the hair. So as you can see, ginamitan namin ng 3-in-1 dito ay may bleach. Ito, nakita nyo ito mga anak, may bleach part. Ano nilagay ito dito?
Rejob!
Very good. Diba, tsaka pa nilagyan yung virgin hair. Nag-gets natin? Yun. So, kung paano yung application ng traditional reband, ganun din. Nag-gets natin? Okay. Sir Eds, paano? Ano ba yung processing time? What's the processing time ng rebanding? From 30, 45 minutes maximum?
1 hour.
1 hour, diba? Kaso yung iba, yung ibang buhok, kulot na matigas, diba? Ayaw pa rin. Ibababad natin ng 4 days.
Ha?
Mali ba yun? Sabi ko, tuturuan muna natin ng mali para malalaman natin kung naiintindihan. Kasi pag ibibigay mo kagad, hindi mag-register yun. Hindi po. Okay. Mga anak, pag 1 hour, hindi pa kayo nakakita ng pagbago, bababad uli natin ng
Another 1 hour.
mali pa rin. Diba? Bakit? Kailangan i-wash mo yon. Kasi ang gamot, kailangan meron siyang oras, may tinatawag na processing time.
Okay.
Diba? Kahit sa anong uri ng reband, kahit traditional yan, or kahit 3-in-1 yan, pag hindi pa rin tumalab after 1 hour, wash and reapply.
Ah, okay lang yun?
Yes. Diba?
Wash and
Napapansin
reapply.
niyo, ito sa totoong kwentuhan tayo. Sino dito nakababad na ng 2 hours or more? Unat, di ba? Unat. Pero kumintab? Hindi siya kikintab. Kahit na anong gawin mo, hindi siya kikintab. Uunat siya, hindi kikintab, hindi rin malambot. Pero unat. Di ba? Yun. Nakakita na ba kayo ng niriband nyo, yung sobrang tagal nung babad yun ng number 1? Pagkalikod ng kahit, may parang puting anino sa likod. Yun, na sobra ng babad yun. Meron gano'n, Sir Do. Nagkakaroon siya ng parang puti na anino sa likod na hindi mo matanggal-tanggal. Di ba? Kasi sobrang babad na ng number 1. So mga anak, ang advice ko sa inyo, to be safe, for a safer application procedure, pag hindi pa tumalat ang number 1 nyo, wash and reapply. Para hindi kayo nahihirapan. Di ba? Hindi nasusuffocate yung hair follicle ng client. Nag-gets natin? Okay. Ang kagandahan sa 3-in-1, tipid ka sa oras. Bakit? After application ng number 1, babalawan mo na, ibablower mo, paplansyahin mo. Carjack na. Nakatipid ka ng oras. Diba? Kasi volume rebonding naman ang gusto ng client. Nag-gets natin? Ngayon, pag super dry or prone to damage yung hair, pwede kang mag-treatment afterwards. Nag-gets natin? Naunawaan natin? Diba? Naintindihan natin ba?
Yes.
Naintindihan natin?
Yes.
Okay, 3-in-1 rebond. Ano ba ang mga benefits ng 3-in-1 rebond? Lesser time. Diba? Kasi, dahil mabilis lang naman siya, hindi mo na kailangan maghugas uli para mag-reapply ng new drug. Nag-gets natin? So, nakatipid ka sa oras, nakatipid ka sa gamot. Bumilis yung proseso mo. Gusto niyo yung ganon? Ito ngayon ang uso, 3-in-1 rebond. Yung mga nagmamadali na magkaroon, gusto nila ng straight hair. Pero ayaw nila ng pin straight. Ayaw nung unat na unat. Nag-gets natin? Okay. Miss Irene, magkano tayo ngayon sa 3-in-1? Senyas! Senyas! 630? 30? Ba't ang mura? 682 dapat or 730? Buhunan pa lang yun, 680.
Promo daw.
680. Okay, 680. 680 tayo. Okay, 680.
680.
Pero ito, meron lang akong 6 na bote ngayon.
Bili ka na
6
naman.
bottles lang.
Ano yung 3-in-1 ribbon? May pa sa bagay, yung mga pang-ano pa lang yan.
Pag nag 3-in-1 ka, 1,500 or 2,000, depende sa haba. Eh, may 5 customer ka,
Pang ilang customer ba yan?
10,000 na kagad sa akla. Ang puhunan, 680. Panalo? Panalo!
Magkano?
O, dun sa kukuha ng 6. May pabonus ako, isang Magic Brazilian Keratin Sachet. Pila! 6
Pila
lang!
ka na ulit. Busin mo na yan dyan. Wala tayong...
6 lang! Rampa! Patalikod! 6! Kaya botox lang yan, hindi magkakaganyan. Alam na, nire-request ha?
Uy, tingin mo na to.
Ano ba? Ano to? Ulitin ko lang ha. So ito yung organizing, no?
Cream.
Okay.
I-add mo na lang kay Yapong.
Oo. Kasi mag-ano ko sa'yo.
Sa 7 mo, nawala yung 7.
Purpose from Binondo Beauty Supply for Polish Protein Straight treatment. Polish Protein Straight is an organic treatment that gives your hair a natural looking straight, soft, shiny, smooth, and silky, beautiful hair. As you can see today, this is our model, and this is virgin hair. Yan. Never been colored, never been rebonded. So you can see natural ang kanyang mga kulot. And what we're going to do here is let's analyze the scalp. Analyze the scalp. After analyzing the scalp, we check the history of the hair. Since this is virgin, now we are ready to do first our shampooing. We do the number 1 of the Polish Protein Clarifying Shampoo. Wala po tayong dapat ikatakot sa treatment na to because this is very, very safe to use. This is okay for pregnant women and even children. This is made of acai berry, cacao, and coconut scented. It's organic and it's very safe to use. With nanotechnology and heat activated, it can make your hair look naturally straight, silky smooth, and beautiful. Very balancing.
Before applying the treatment, we start with a hair analysis to check for buildup, dryness, or damage. Our model has virgin wavy hair, so we'll proceed with deep cleansing. We'll use Prolist Protein Clarifying Shampoo Bottle number 1 to remove excess oil, dirt, and buildup. At least shampoo it once to cleanse thoroughly and open the cuticles for treatment. After rinsing, gently towel dry the hair. It doesn't need to be completely dry, just enough so that water is no longer dripping. Then we will section the hair properly. Why is sectioning important? To prevent tangles and to ensure even product application. Proper sectioning guarantees that every strand is fully coated with the treatment. Now, we apply the Prolist Straightening and Smoothing Treatment Bottle number to evenly from roots to ends. Since this is virgin hair, the product will be absorbed evenly, allowing us to apply it from the scalp all the way to the ends. For chemically treated hair, stylists usually avoid applying the treatment to the ends immediately, but since this is virgin hair, we can coat it evenly. The key here is consistent application for a smooth and healthy final result. After letting the hair absorb the treatment based on its condition, rinse thoroughly and blow dry. This step sets the treatment in place before ironing, ensuring a smooth and straight finish. Now we proceed to straightening. We will take small sections and use a flat iron, keeping a slight distance from the scalp to avoid damaging the roots. Iron the hair with smooth gliding motion, avoiding over-clamping to prevent harsh lines. Reminder, do not press the flat iron too hard, and avoid staying too long on one section to prevent burning the hair. After sealing the treatment with ironing, we do a same-day wash to show its effectiveness and ensure the hair remains lightweight, smooth, and free from residue. We'll use Prolist Hair Mask Bottle number to deeply nourish and lock in moisture, proving that the treatment works immediately, no need to wait days to wash, so clients can enjoy fresh, salon smooth hair right away. Final step, let's do the final blow dry and look at that transformation. From natural waves to sleek, smooth, and straight hair. And just look at that transformation from curly and wavy to shiny, smooth, and irresistibly soft hair. With Proliss Protein Straight, you get naturally straight and silky hair effortlessly beautiful. Get yours now and experience the magic of Proliss.
Hire your staff to listen. Bakit? May nararamdaman ako one of these days, isa o dalawa o tatlo dyan sa mga yan, magiging hairdresser. So, allow them to listen. O hindi, kasi nakikita ko sila kanina pa nakikinig. Learning is free. Okay? So, samantalahin nyo, ito mga to nagbayad ng 300. Sila libre, samantalahin nyo. Okay? Kasi hindi mo masasabi, at that age, hindi pa alam kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Diba? You'll never know. Huwag niyong mamatayin mga anak. Maraming hairdresser na lalaki na ngayon. Gusto ko yon. Bakit ganun yung reaction mo kay Dudo? Gusto ko yun kasi ibig sabihin dumadami ang hairdresser. Tama, di ba? Dumadami ang hairdresser. Kasi ngayon mga babae, dati ngayon gumagawa na ng major. Ingat kayo ma'am. Mas marami na sila sa inyo. Hindi ba kayo dumadami? Nag-gets natin? Okay, let's now talk about the hair. Nakikita nyo ba? Diyan nagmula ang palaka. Okay. Mga anak, this is the scalp. This is the scalp, okay? This is the hair bulb. Ito yung binubunot natin sa buhok. Yung kulay puti na nakikita natin. Okay. Ano ang trabaho ng hair bulb?
To protect the hair.
May trabaho yan. Hindi nyo lang nakikita. Ang hair bulb ang nagpo-produce ng sebum or natural oil. Okay? So the natural oil flows sa scalp and into the hair follicle. Nag-gets natin? Okay, so ito na yung tumubong buhok. Nag-gets natin? So importante pala yung kailangan healthy scalp. Diba? Para pantay yung pag-distribute ng langis. Ng langis. Magugulatin ako. Para pantay yung distribution ng sebum sa hair at makadaloy sa buhok. Di ba yung mga nanay natin noon, nung bata pa tayo, magsuklay ka ng 100 beses. Kasi, kumikintab, di ba? Umuunat, di ba? Dumudulas. Kasi yung natural oil natin, binababa ng suklay. And because of the friction, yung paggasgas ng suklay doon, nagkakaroon ng init. Kaya nakakatulong yun. O di ba, pag nag-blower tayo, gumaganda yung buhok. Pag nagpa-plancha tayo, gumaganda yun. Because of the heat. Nag-gets natin? So, kailangan natin ng healthy scalp. Pag tayo nag-a-analyze ng hair, make sure na scalp muna ang chine-check natin. Basag na, di ba? Cut na yan, di ba? Ang formula is Brazil. Ang manufacturing company natin, lahat ng gamot natin is China. Basag na, di ba? Cut na yan, di ba? Mas marami na sila sa inyo.